Evening campers, welcome back to the channel. Right, it's a bit of a magical, mystical evening this evening. Me and this chap over here, Mr. Fowler, there he is. We're going hunting druids. Anyway, I'll tell you all about that when we get in the air. Oh, and I've also got a bit of news as well. Clear prop. First time. I do love my Black Bull engine. Oh, gotta love that smell of two-stroke. Following another 9, it looks so cool. There goes Giles. So what's so special about this evening? What's so magical about it? Well, today is the 20th of June, and anybody in the know will know that that is the summer solstice. So today is the longest day, and it's a bit of a tradition with some pilots that they like to go flying on the solstice. There was some people that I know online today were up at 4:15 this morning flying as the sun came up. 4:15 in the morning is not a time for me to be up, so I've decided to do the other end of the day, and I'm going to fly as late as I can. So just to explain, in the UK, flying a microlight on an NPPL licence has certain rules and regulations and privileges. One of those rules is that you cannot fly at night, and night is defined as half an hour after sunset till half an hour before sunrise. Today, with it being the summer solstice, the longest day, the sunset is not until 9:37. So legally, I can fly until 10:07, and that's my plan. That's what I want to do. I'm told that there is a Druid circle, which is where we're flying to. Giles knows the way. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just following my leader. And I'm told that we might see some druids. I've got to be honest and say I don't think I've ever seen a druid. I don't know what one looks like if I did see one. So this evening we have been told that we are going druid hunting. Oh, the sun's just starting to go down over the horizon, and it looks fantastic. This is magical. Distance, I spot a circular pattern of trees. I think this is what we were heading for. Well, I can't see any druids. Let's go down a bit lower. Ah, this is incredible. This is a load of fun. I don't know if you'll be able to see this on the camera, but I can actually see the moon. I don't think I've ever flown and seen the moon at the same time. There's a first. Oh, and just over my right shoulder I can see the sunset. Wow. Right, where's Giles gone? Ah, there he is. 9 o'clock low. There he goes. know, I absolutely love flying this little microlight. It lets you do things and see things that most people just don't get to experience, and I love being able to share it with you guys. Oh, there's Giles doing a bit of a sneaky. There he goes. I think it's fair to say Mr. Fowler is enjoying himself. I love flying at this time of day. It is absolutely glass smooth. It's lovely. Right, so it's 9:33, so it's 4 minutes to sunset. Fortunately, it looks like the sun's going down behind the clouds, so I might not actually get it. So that's what it looks like. Of course, that does mean that the nights are now drawing in and winter's on the way. Well, let's just ignore that, shall we, and let's just embrace the fact that it's actually the astrological start of summer, so let's hope it's a good one. Well, it's 9:37 on the summer solstice 2024. There it is. Right, so I need to make sure that I am down and landed half an hour after sunset. So I've got till 10:07 to make sure I am down and stopped. Of course, you need to know those things in order to stay legal, and in order to know those things you need to pass exams. And that kind of neatly brings me on to the bit of news that I've got. You may have noticed at the top left hand corner of some of my videos you'll now see something along the lines of contains a paid promotion. So what's that all about? Well, in my last, or one of my previous videos, I talked about passing exams, and I mentioned that in order to pass the written exams I used an online company or an online product called QuizAero. Since making that video, QuizAero have contacted me, and very, very graciously they have offered to sponsor my channel. So what is QuizAero? Well, let me tell you.
If you're a student pilot working towards your NPPL licence, then I would highly recommend QuizAero. If, like me, you've got limited availability that would prevent you from attending ground school classes, then QuizAero is an online solution offering you the flexibility to study at your own pace and in your own time. QuizAero packages include everything that the student pilot needs to get through the written exams. You don't need to go and buy any more textbooks. Everything you need is online, and it's an all-in-one solution that will save you both time and money. All of the information that you need to pass the exams is presented in easy to follow bite-sized chunks, along with detailed diagrams and amazing animations which you won't find in any textbook. The packages also include practice exams, which you can use to monitor your progress at the end of each chapter and test yourself to see if you know the material as well as you think you do. And you can even generate certificates and share these with your flying instructor to let them know when you're ready for the test. The course works on mobile, tablet and desktop, so it gives you the flexibility to take it with you and study on the go. So whether you're a Flexwing or a Fixwing NPPL student, QuizAero has a package to suit you.
So in the description down below this video and all my subsequent videos you will now see a link to QuizAero. And there are links to two particular courses that QuizAero offer NPPL pilots or NPPL students. If you click on either of those links, then you will be able to buy the course from QuizAero. It will cost you exactly the same as it would normally. The only difference is QuizAero will give me a little bit of a commission. So if you're looking for help passing your written exams and you fancy doing it the online way, then QuizAero is by far the way to go. So go and have a look, see what they've got to offer you. Just want to say a big thank you to people that have subscribed recently. I've had a bit of a jump in subscriber numbers, so thank you if you have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, you're new to this channel, then obviously you can see I fly microlight Flexwings about. I don't just fly around aimlessly though, I go visiting places, I do a bit of camping. I'm going camping next week with Giles Fowler we'll video that. That'll be good. Tomorrow I have got something planned which I've been itching to tell you, but I'm going to keep it a secret. I'm flying something different, something completely out of the ordinary for me. I'm videoing that. That will be a good video. I also do some how-to stuff, how to fix things, how to break things, and I also do a few challenges, like flying around this racetrack that I'm just coming up to, Darley Moor. I flew around that in a microlight to see how long it took me. So I do all sorts of stuff. If you've not subscribed and you fancy having a look at some of the stuff I get up to, then it'd be marvellous if you gave me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. This is kind of weird. That up there, that's the moon. The actual summer solstice itself it's not a day, it's a point in time. I don't understand that. Maybe somebody who does understand it might be able to put it in the comments and explain what exactly happens at that moment in time that makes it the summer solstice. But today it's 21:50. It's now 21:44, so I have said I'm going to fly in the summer solstice, so strictly speaking I need to stay up until at least 21:50. I'm over the airfield, so it's only going to take me a couple of minutes to get down after that. So I'm happy that I'm all legal. Well, I appear to have lost the wing cam. I'm not sure when that went, so it's just me and you now. $21.49. It's 21:50. I have officially flown the summer solstice. Get in. Right, I hope you've enjoyed that one. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to land. I'll see you on the next one. I had to land, I'm scared of the dark.